The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hi, Sandy Vicani, Insurance Agency Marketing. So greatly appreciate you spending this Good Friday with us. Wonderful to be with all of you. I am a supervisor here at Producer Services and are going to go over a couple things before we get into just a really great product with Single Premium Life. It's an amazing annuity alternative, gives you lots of opportunity for your clients. So I am going to get that started. A couple things first, just when you write with IAMS, sorry, my screen went blank for a moment. When you write with IAMS, you refer an agent, we're going to give you $50 for that referred agent, just as a thank you for referring that agent. When that agent places business with us, you are going to receive an override of 20 basis points on each piece of business that agent places. Again, that doesn't take from your commission. It doesn't take from their commission. This comes from IAMS as a thank you for referring that agent, and that's indefinitely. So again, every time you refer an agent, we give you $50 when they contract, and then 20 basis points on any piece of placed business that they write with us thereafter. We also offer all of our agents a marketing reimbursement account. And with the marketing reimbursement account, we put in $200 for every $100,000 of placed premium, whether that's life, annuity, MedSup, long-term care, or a combination thereof. We also offer, we call them builder levels. And so when you write with us and you're new to us in the first 6 months, we offer different levels of additional incentives. So when you place $100,000 with us, again, life, annuity, MedSup, long-term care, a combination thereof in your first 6 months, you can choose from a $750 cash bonus or a 2-year producer website that we create and manage for you. If you'd like to hold off and wait to your $300,000 level, and that's $300,000 of placed business, again, life, annuity, MedSup, long-term care, combination thereof, you can choose a $1,500 gift card, a $2,000 marketing reimbursement, or Social Security program, which is a seminar program, plus a 3,000 piece mailing. If you think you're going to do more than $300,000 in your first 6 months and you place $500,000 in your first 6 months, you can choose a 4,000 piece mailing in seminar system with a great producer of ours, Dave Pimper. You can choose a 5,000 piece mailing in seminar coaching with a top producer of ours, Matt Gill. Or you can choose my favorite, which is the Ritz-Carlton Travel Rewards Package. And what that is you get to choose and design your own travel getaway. So again, this does not come out of any commission of yours. This comes from IAMS as a way to say thank you so much for entrusting your business with us. We also have very strong back office support, whether you're looking to look for any resources or to build your business up, whether it's on the creative side or the marketing side. We have great case design assistants. So give us a call. Let us know what the issues are with your case or the underwriting, if it's a key man, buy, sell, whatever the case may be. We'll help you design that case and get you out the quotes. We also have forms that we'll be more than happy to send you, whether they're service forms, new apps. We do life and annuity quotes, paperless contracting. We're very proud of our new business management team, because what we do is when you submit a case to us, we scrub the application, make sure nothing is missing, submit it to the carrier, and then we follow up every 3 days just to make sure that case gets issued and placed as quickly as possible, all the way to make sure that you get your commission. So we work very hard on that. We also follow up on all medical records, transfers, exchanges, and we do that for you. We have, like I said earlier, a strong creative marketing team, and what we do there is Tasia or Josh would be able to assist you. We can help you with professionally written pieces. We create handouts, flyers, newsletters, postcards. If you have a logo and it needs to be refreshed, or you don't have a logo, we'll help you design one. We do business cards, brochures, advertising. If you have a website that just needs a refresh look, or if you don't have a website and you would like one, we create and manage that for you. We also, again, create and design online newsletters. And then with social media, that's such a big way to advertise anymore on Facebook and Twitter and all the other available ways for us to market for you and advertise for you right there on social media. We'll do that for you as well. So I can't stress enough, great opportunity to contact our creative marketing department to see how we're able to help you and your business. We also have a strong website that is www.IAMSinc.com. And on that website, you're going to be able to pull our annuity rate watch, annuity grid, which shows the best fixed annuities, the annuities with the great income riders. There's also different forms online, whether you're wanting to pull an application or whether you're wanting to pull a service form. You're able to quote term and UL on there. It also gives you the current industry link and news, and that's just so important, especially with the DOL ruling that's been going on. So a lot of great information on our website. I cannot stress enough for you to go there. It also has a great resource library for you to pull different pieces from, whether it is, again, on the life or annuity side. So again, can't stress enough that you get registered and go to our website. For this here, I'm going to put out a poll question. When you answer yes to this question, all you're doing is stating that you want additional information. So with the DOL ruling, we decided here at IAMS, we wanted to make sure that we're full service brokerage for our agents, so you don't lose any additional sales with this new ruling. And how we've done that is created a wealth management side. And with that, you're able to increase your revenue from your managed money fees. You're able to now offer a full range of products and services so you can improve your client retention, and you're able to strengthen your clients' relationships. You're completely viewed differently by your clients as an advisor. You're now a fiduciary. And we go over, if you check yes, we'll let you know the current changes with the DOL ruling, what's coming down, how is it going to affect you. We know that there has been some rules that have been suspended. We'll go over that with you as well, and just let you know, how we're able to assist you with all of these current changes. So checking yes just allows us to give you a call and answer any questions that you have. We'll send out the current rulings and what will be taking effect shortly, and again, how that's able, or how that is affecting you. We'll get that closed out. We also have a Life and Annuity Academy. This is such a great opportunity. Again, checking yes on this question is just stating that you're interested in getting more information. So our Life and Annuity Academy, it is industry recognized. We've worked very hard. We're very proud of this academy. It is an all expense paid trip. We pay for your airfare. We pay for your lodging, your meals. We had close to 1,000 agents register. We take between 35 and 40, and it's a 2-day training. We go over different sales ideas and strategies from top producers. We unravel the questions and the mystery with indexed annuities and go over the different annuity threats and trends that are out there and how that's going to, again, especially with the DOL ruling, how it will affect you and what we here at IAMS can help with. We go over seminar system, turnkey seminar system. So whether you're looking at doing a seminar in a library with tea and coffee and cookies, up to your more advanced seminars with sit-down dinners, we go over what best seminar system would help you. We also go over our large life case marketing, so any type of single premium life, private financing. we go over those ideas, how to protect from Medicaid spend down. Um, we go over, again, income riders. We go over annuity sales topics, softwares. We have one coming up in May. Again, checking yes. We'll just email you out some information. Cannot stress enough that you check yes, and just try to get into this great opportunity. We also, in addition to the great incentives that we offer in regards to marketing reimbursement, new producer bonus, helping you with a creative side of your business. We also offer a producer summit for you and a guest. We just ended one at the Boulders Resort and Spa, and we are having another one. As you can see, it looks like it's from ocean and sand and period for that. The only way you can get invited is to start writing and placing business with us between January 18th to June 2019. So we made it extra long, and you're going to have to stay tuned on where that is. We will be announcing that shortly. So to go over today's agenda, we're going to go over why single premium life is so popular, just basic product information, where to find funds, the underwriting and sales process, and then actual case scenarios that we've had in this office. So I oversee our single premium life new business. So these are literally cases that have come through our office that we've worked, that we've been able to get approved. So the reason why we believe single premium life is so popular is because there is $1.4 trillion in assets that's going to be passed on to the next generation. We want to make sure that gets passed on tax-free. There's so much concern in regards to long-term care. The problem is, one, it's too expensive, and two, the client doesn't know if they're going to use it, and if they don't use it, they lose it. So with single premium life, with that already built in, you don't have to worry about that use it or lose it situation. It's also real hassle-free, no exams, no labs, you don't have to go through any product training or compliance, guaranteed interest rate, top commissions, pays up to 14% commission. And if you have a book of business for annuities, go look at that. It'll be new commissions on old annuity book of business. General product information. Now this just recently changed. We have issue ages. Typically it's 50 to 80. It just went down to 45. So ages 45 to 80. The different premiums are going to vary by carrier. Some carriers require a minimum of a $10,000 premium. Some do $5,000. Some do a maximum death benefit on the guaranteed side of $750,000, and there's some that allow you to have $1 million death benefit. Underwriting, very simple. Whether your client is preferred or whether your client has health issues, the underwriting starts at a table 4 for a standard issue. Some go up to a table 8. Again, it's no exam or labs on this. Big difference that you're going to see is, gosh, if you've had a client that was declined for long-term care, that was underwritten for morbidity. We underwrite for mortality. So their knee replacement for long-term care may have declined them. It would not decline them for single premium life. The benefits of it is it's a great return of premium. So your clients do have the ability to get all of their funds back. There's those nursing care home healthcare benefits that are automatically built in. It's not an additional rider that the client has to pay for. It's not additional underwriting where it's separate underwriting. And you don't need your long-term care certificate either to sell this. The client, it mimics an annuity because the client has the ability to do free withdrawals. Some are 5% free withdrawals of the accumulation value each year. Others are 10% free withdrawals of the accumulation value each year. And you're actually able to transfer qualified and non-qualified benefits. So anyone interested in transferring qualified funds, give us a call. We won't go over that on this webinar, but give me a call and I'll be happy to go over that with you. So then you're thinking, well, that's great information. Where am I going to find funds? So we have a fact finder that we can send out to you, but you can also find it from qualified accounts. Again, we're able to transfer qualified funds into a single premium life policy and help offset that large tax issue. They can do the free withdrawals, either 10% free withdrawals of their annuities. So if they're not utilizing their annuities for income, have them take a 10% free withdrawal and put that 10% into a single premium life product. If they have required minimum distributions that they're not utilizing for income and they don't need, put that into a single premium life product. Any underperforming policies, so if they have let's see, one of those UL policies back from the 80s that are just imploding. They were illustrated at 9%, and unfortunately, we just weren't able to sustain that. If they have money in that policy, take that out before it gets depleted, and let's get them a paid up policy. If they have an old, we call them the old married policies, and they took out, 40 years ago when they were first married, and they have $5,000-$10,000 sitting in there. Let's take that money and get a bigger death benefit with more side benefits like those nursing care, home health care benefits. If they have policies that have some cash value but they're continuing to pay premium, let's stop those premiums and transfer that cash value into a single premium life. And then of course, any CDs, money in checking your savings account, they're just not earning great interest there. So if they aren't concerned about long-term care, but they just want their money to earn more interest, putting it into a single premium life policy will do just that. It's paying more than a CD is, and it's definitely paying more than checking your savings accounts. So who exactly is a prospect? Again, clients with funds that they do not need for daily expenses. So these are clients that strictly just want a wealth transfer. They don't need this money for income. Now there's accessibility to this money if for some reason in a year or 2 years, whatever the case may be, their air conditioner broke or they needed to purchase a car, whatever it is, they do have accessibility to their funds, but we need to make sure that they don't need accessibility for living expenses. So clients with annuities they're not living on, distributions that are taxed as ordinary income, and then again, we can increase the face amount of living benefits to offset surrender charges with that transfer. Clients with savings and checking accounts and CDs, again, just as I went over, they have such a minimal interest. It's a taxable growth. Let's put that money into a single premium life. For Medicare supplements, clients paying premiums on old policies, let's get those consolidated. And then life insurance clients, so those Medicare supplement clients, again, if they're paying on those old married policies, let's get those. That's what we mean by the consolidation. For life insurance clients, those imploding ULs. So before all of that cash value is eaten away, let's put that money into a single premium life. And then long-term care clients, if they've ever been declined for long-term care, if they don't want to worry about, gosh, am I really going to need the long-term care policy, and do I want to pay for a separate policy? Can I even afford a separate policy? Let's take a look at single premium life. So the sales process is, uncovering those assets that are suitable for single premium. Give us a call. We will let you know out of our several carriers who would be the best fit and provide you with an illustration and product information on that. Complete the application and call the telephone number. It's a telephone interview. While they're doing the telephone interview, which by the way are the exact same questions on the application, then they're going over prescription history and MIB codes. Telephone interviews between 15 and 20 minutes, and you'll know immediately on the phone whether or not the client is approved or declined. You can fax or email the application in to IAMS. We do not need the originals. And again, it's a point of sale underwriting, so you will know immediately whether or not the client is approved or declined. If you send in the money when they're approved, the policy will get issued within 48 hours and commission paid out. So it's a very quick process. So you might be asking, gosh, who do we have for single premium life carriers? We have several, as you can see, from Assurity Life to Baltimore, Equitrust, Elko. We have Mutual Trust, Lincoln Financial, National Guardian, National Western, North American, Oxford, Sagicor, One America. We have so many to choose from. We will not just stick you in one carrier. We will let you know who looks the best, whether it's for nursing care benefits or whether you're looking for a wealth transfer. In a side note there, we did rank just last year, ranked third in the nation for our single premium life business. We know single premium life. We're very proud of it. We have a lot of business for single premium life, and we're very aggressive in the underwriting. So I can't stress enough, if you have a question, if you're not happy, if you have one of those contracts and you're just not happy with your IMO, give us a call and let us see what we're able to do. Standard health questions that you may see. This is actually taken from an app from one of our top carriers. These are the standard health questions. These are not, if the client checks yes for these, it does not mean that they are automatically declined whatsoever. Whether the client has diabetes, leukemia, uncontrolled high blood pressure, have they been hospitalized or confined to a nursing home within the last 12 months, are they taking medications? This is the page. So you're looking at a short application. If any of you write life insurance, these applications they can get to be 30, 40, and unfortunately 50 pages, real short applications with our single premium life. And then these are actual cases that have gone through our company that we've written and that we have worked, that we've been able to approve. An 83-year-old female, type 2 diabetic on blood thinner medication with 2 blood pressure meds and a cholesterol med, approved. We had a 78-year-old male with a kidney disease in addition to type 2 diabetes with gout. We had that approved. A 68-year-old female with colon cancer in 2004, edema, high blood pressure, and bone loss. We had that approved. So what you're really looking for, if you think, well, gosh, my client can't get approved because they're diabetes insulin controlled, that's not the case. We can get those approved. We're looking at A1C counts is what we're looking at. Heart attack after 2 years of recovery with follow-up, we can get an approval. Bypass or angioplasty after 2 years. Cancer in remission has to be after 2 years of treatment. Parkinson's after 2 years with no treatment. A stroke after 2 years, no treatment, no residuals. And what I mean by residuals is they can't be walking with a cane. A side of their body's cannot be paralyzed. So they had a stroke. It's been 2 years, there's no treatment, no residuals. And then a pacemaker after 5 years even. So what we don't want you to do is walk away from a sale because you just don't believe that they'll qualify in underwriting. I'm not saying that we're able to get everything approved. I wish we could. I'm just saying, give us a call. Let us know what the health conditions are. What you may think is a decline is what we have as an approval. So just don't ever walk away from a sale. And again, we go over morbidity versus mortality. Morbidity is more on the long-term care, whether it's, again, a knee replacement, a hip replacement, arthritis. They look at those and they think, gosh, we're unable to approve that, and they decline it. We underwrite for mortality, which is more your life expectancy. So big difference in underwriting. So any declined long-term care cases you have, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to see if we're able to get that approved on the single premium life side. And it's great commission. On average, this is just an average commission. Again, we go up to 14%. If you write a $100,000 single premium life case or multiple cases that equal $100,000, every 3 months at a 9% commission, you're adding $36,000 a year to your salary. So we're not telling annuity agents, stop writing annuities. We're not telling long-term care agents, stop writing long-term care. We're saying as a great supplement to your income, think about single premium life. Go back to your book of business. Look at those annuity clients. Ask for an annual review. You know, while you do this, you're also possibly uncovering brand new annuity sales as well. One of our carriers, just to let you know, we'll send out more information about that, is also offering starts at $250 and goes up to $1,000 in additional bonus for 2 products that they're coming out with, and that's in addition to your great commission. So give us a call for that as well. While we answer some questions, I'll do another poll question and just ask you if you'd like to receive some additional information on single premium life that we can send out to you. So someone asked if we would show the paper application again. So sorry about that. So I'll get that over to you here. And just to let everyone know, you will get a recorded version of this webinar. So you'll get that later on this afternoon. So you'll be able to see the questions. Gosh, sorry, it's not staying there. So those are the questions for that. So we also have a question, what about MS? That is dependent upon when the client was diagnosed, how old are they? So give us a call on that and we can go over the specifics. We'll be happy to do that. What other questions do we have here? Again, 45 to 85, simplified issue, never exams, never labs, immediate decision on the phone. Don't want you to think again that this is a guarantee issue. It's not. They are going to go over these health questions. They are going to pull up prescription history, MIB codes. It's just such a great opportunity, truly is. Again, if you're an annuity agent and you're looking for leads, go back to your book of business. Give them a call. Let them know you have a great way to help their beneficiaries offset the tax consequences on those annuities that they have, and that would be with single premium life. Go back and ask them, are you concerned about long-term care? Because if you are, I have a great opportunity, and you don't have to worry about the use it or lose it. Single premium life is a very versatile product. Again, whether you're looking for wealth transfer, whether you're looking for long-term care, whether you just want to park the money and see what this crazy interest rate arena is going to do. Get the money out of the checking account, savings account, CDs, let it earn 3% at a minimum on a guaranteed side, or let it earn 2%, on a guarantee side with single premium life, and let that money work better for the client. Accessibility to the funds are always there. Some allow you to borrow immediately for a loan as soon as the policy is placed. Others, you'll need to wait a year to do a 5%, if you don't want to do a loan, a 5% free withdrawal of accumulation value. So when you think of annuity, it really does mimic an annuity in regards to the withdrawal procedures. Again, qualified funds, we're able to take qualified funds. Instead of the client getting a large tax consequence on that, we are able to break that up. So give us a call on that, and we will be happy to go over that with you. Again, everyone who's registered will receive this in a recorded link, so you'll have that with you. I just can't say thank you enough for allowing us to spend some time here together and go over single premium life. I just so truly believe in the product, and I hope that I've answered some questions. I'll be giving all of you a call. In the meantime, if you have questions, please give us a call at 1-800 888-255-5055. Again, this is Sandy Vicanti. I'm a supervisor here at Producer Services, and I look forward to speaking with each of you. Thank you so much, and I hope everyone has a great Easter weekend.